What is up, you guys? I noticed lately that there has been a lot of new faces that have subscribed to my channel, and I am super thankful and I love every single one of you. And I figured most of you probably don't know me or don't know that much about me, so I figured what better time than to share 50 facts about me. Some of these are gonna be normal facts, and then some of these are gonna be random and funny, just to, you know, kind of mix it up and keep things interesting. If this is something that interests you, please continue watching. The name Alia originated from a science fiction movie called Dune that my parents were apparently obsessed with, so that is where my name came from. My middle name is Kachina, which in Native American means spirit dancer. I am 5 foot 5 inches tall. I'm originally from Maine, USA, but I currently am living in Dublin, Ireland. I went to Arizona State University and ended up transferring to the Art Institute of Phoenix to finish my degree. However, I continued to live on ASU's campus for all 4 years of college. I have naturally extremely curly hair. Like really curly hair. I have a phobia of mattresses without sheets on them, and I cannot sleep in a bed unless there is a top sheet as well as a bottom sheet. I have never used an eyelash curler. I have never smoked anything in my life, not cigarettes, not weed, not hookah, nothing. I am a cat person. I have a bachelor's degree in interior design. I absolutely despise cilantro. If it's even in something, it ruins it for me. I can't eat it. The taste is absolutely atrocious. I was bullied so much my entire childhood about my appearance or my body that literally nothing anyone can say even remotely offends me. I have literally heard it all before. I typically don't make friends unless they make the effort first. I have no friends. Just kidding, I do. I am left-handed. What up to all my lefties out there? You the realist. I was once tricked into drinking toilet water. I'm not a confrontational person, but if you over there feeling bold and starting to get cute, I'ma say something back. I'm sorry, what was that? Oh, you think my buns look stupid? Oh, hell nah. Hold my weave, Susan. Yeah, just don't come for me like that. I have a half-sister and 2 half-brothers from my dad's first marriage, but they are 20 years older than me, so I was pretty much raised as an only child. I have never had braces. I was born without wisdom teeth. That's right, they've done x-rays, they ain't there. My dentist told me I needed a crown and I was like, I know, right? Just kidding. I've never had a cavity. I have to work in absolute silence. I hate noises. Heavy breathing, snoring, chewing, plastic crackling, dogs barking, loud machinery, footsteps, crying children, and that's just to name a few. It's loud and obnoxious, and I'm just not here for it. I have incredibly good hearing. I can tune into specific conversations within a busy restaurant on the other side of the room and tell you exactly what they are talking about. Doctors say it's a gift. I pee every 30 minutes, and no, I do not have a bladder problem. I have a really overactive metabolism, which actually contributes to me staying so thin. I believe in ghosts. I used to think I was a horse. No, that's not a joke. I literally thought I was a horse. My friends and I would run around and like gallop like a horse and jump over things, and we just run around like this all the time like weirdos. Or we just run around on all fours like this. You know what? I'm actually mad I still know how to do this. Ooh, it just got real sunny by this window. Okay. My mother's side of the family is from Paraguay. According to my Ancestry DNA results, I am also Irish, English, French, Native American, and Middle Eastern. I am a horror movie junkie. I've seen probably every horror movie worth seeing ever, and probably 2 or 3 times. It's an actual obsession. I have never dyed my hair lighter. I have a really rude and inappropriate sense of humor that most people find really offensive. If you were my Facebook friend between 2010 and 2013, first of all, I sincerely apologize. Secondly, you were probably subjected to numerous offensive and rude memes that my best friend and I shared on each other's walls 13 times a day. I had a heart arrhythmia that at 15 required intravenous surgery. I was born on 7/7 at 7 a.m. weighing 7 pounds and 7 ounces. Bitch can't guess what my lucky number is. I hate flat tap water. Unless I'm at the gym, I only drink sparkling water. I know, extra. My biggest pet peeve in the entire world is people who are bad at texting. I know you're on your phone, I see you online on Facebook, I see you posting on Instagram, respond to my texts. I always wear my socks inside out because that stupid little seam at the end drives me mad. I'm not even kidding. It rubs, it gives me blisters. I absolutely cannot. It will ruin my entire life. I have never had fake nails. That's right. These bad boys are real. What up? I have a sound machine slash humidifier that my mom bought for me before I was born, and it's this big, giant, clunky box thing. And I have used it every night since I was born, and it still works. I hate sharing my food. I don't kill bugs. I pick them up and I put them outside. Who am I to decide who gets to live or die, you know? I didn't break 100 pounds until I was a sophomore in college. Shout out to fried chicken and beer. I don't hate anyone. I'm just not gonna waste my energy on you like that. I have scoliosis, and one of my hips is 2 inches higher than the other one. I don't believe in internet bullying. I can literally just get up and walk away from the computer at any time, or put my phone down, or better yet, I can block your ass. You can't pick on me. LOL, bro, I'm not even at the computer anymore. You talking to nobody. You a coward behind the keyboard. Birth control nearly made me go bald. If I don't get at least 10 hours of sleep a day, I cannot exist. Hey, before that it was 12, and before that it was 14. We making progress out here, people. Can I get a round of applause? I still get carded at rated R movies where you have to be 17 or older to watch. I'm gonna be 27. I am not spontaneous at all. I need a plan and a schedule. Where are we going? How long are we going for? Who's coming? What's the weather gonna be like? What time? Will there be food? So that is it, you guys. 50 random facts about me. I hope that helped you get to know me just a little bit better. Leave some comments in the comment section below, and if you have any additional questions for me, I can put together another video and answer any questions that you might have. Thank you guys so much for watching.